What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to add USDT to Phantom Wallet. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. We're going to open our Phantom Wallet and then we're simply going to use the swap option. You can find the swap button at the bottom of your screen. It's going to be the third button at the bottom. Alternatively, you can look at the top of the screen where you can see receive, send and swap. All you need to do is to tap on swap. And then right here, you have the option to swap. The goal here is to swap Solana with USDT. So in order to add USDT, you need to make sure that you want to swap some of your Solana to USDT, which also means that you need to have Solana already on your Phantom wallet. So say we have Solana right here, we're going to tap on the area where we can select more tokens. And right here, you can go ahead and search for USDT. However, we can see USDT right here. And this USDT is in the Solana network. You can see the letter I icon on the same row as USDT. Now, when we tap on it, just to confirm, we will be seeing that this is USDT using the Solana network. We can go to the top left corner and tap on X and then tap on USDT. And right here, you have Solana to USDT. And this is a swap action. So when you have some Solana and you swap it over to USDT, you will have your USDT appear at the home page where you have the other tokens. If you don't find it here after making a successful swap, all you need to do is to go over to Manage Token Lists, find your USDT here and toggle it on. When you do that, you can go back to the home page and you will definitely find your USDT on your Phantom wallet. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.